Hi, today I will show you how to use C tax-free app. Come with me, and I will show you how to get 17% VAT back from your purchases in Portugal. Follow me. You start by entering in the stores you like. You choose your favorite items that you want to bring back home with you. Open the app to confirm the billing details. You need to request the store to include them in the invoice. Once you have the invoice from the store, you can take a picture and upload to the app so the C tax-free team can validate it. With all your purchases validated in the app, you can submit your VAT claim request. The last step is the customs validation of the tax-free process. At the kiosk, you indicate either the goods are in your check-in luggage or in your hand luggage. Scan your passport, and then scan your boarding pass. The process will show up in the screen. Press to validate it. Done. Simple, right? Download your C tax-free app and enjoy your stay in Portugal.